Hi guys and guys, welcome back to the channel. So we've got a 650i. Customer has reported a horrific fuel leak. And I must say this is one that I've never seen before. So we've put the roof down. I've removed the access panel and you see there's fuel coming out of there. Now what I've never seen before is when you undo this plug, fuel is coming up through the sensor, through the actual plug itself from the pump. All right, it's a new day. So we have got a new fuel pump now. We've got a replacement with connectors that stay in place. What I've worked out is that was actually the negative cable. I believe it was the negative pin. I'll double check when this comes out. That had actually failed, because if it was the positive pin, this could have been a terrible situation. I'll put it this way, I wouldn't be needing to replace this. Now, I don't have the correct tool to knock that round. So I'm just literally just use a screwdriver and tap it round. I've disconnected the feed and I've disconnected the two plugs and I've got the metal plate out of the way, which is nice and easy. So yeah, I'm gonna tap this round and get it out of the way. What we did then is we've given it quite a few love taps with Mr. Mallet and Mr. Flathead. Now, if you look here, you see ridges in the lock ring. Now, when that was on, these tabs lock it in place. So I've gone from each corner, mainly there, and just given it some good love taps round, and it just literally just pop and we're out. So as we've got to that beautiful part, I'm gonna grab a load of tissues and towels and stuff ready to get the fuel, well, make a mess really. Still can't get over that. Literally we can push it down. That's so crazy. Luckily there's no, I mean, this could have gone bad, let's be honest. I'm gonna clean them contacts up. This could have gone bad, but it didn't. The customer needs to buy a lottery ticket, and when he does, he needs to remember me. All right, that one's in, that one's all connected up. There's a bit of a mess inside that. You've got to connect the link pipe, because these are saddle tanks. You've got a tank on, well, a section on this side, section on that side. That side has a pipe that feeds this side. Just connect everything up, connect it as it should. It is very self-explanatory. Then seat it, make sure the rubber's nice. I put a little bit of grease around the seal just to make sure it sits nicely. Then I need to tap it round. Got the feed pipe ready to go. And then connect all the wire in, make sure everything works, like the level, the fuel gauge level, etc. And that will be that. But the one thing that is scary, which I didn't realise, I said it had come through the negative lead, and it hadn't. It was in fact the positive lead that it was leaking fuel from. Again, Lee, if you're watching this, go and buy a lottery ticket. Right, that's all in. We have no leaks, which is a good sign. And the fuel gauge is reading nothing. Hold on. The fuel gauge is reading, so that works. That's good. The dash is turned off. So now let's start it up. And again, pray for no leaks. All right, well, we're live. We're good. I'm happy. It's running. No lights. Brilliant. Right, I'll rebuild that and let's get it moving. Okay, so the rear seats are in. They just line up the buckles, whack it in, put the seat belts into their little grooves. Fine. Gonna give it a quick test run before I do anything. However, we do have a convertible roof fault, which wasn't on the list of things to do, but in BMW fashion, BMW doing BMW things. Okay, so there we have it. This one is all back together, test driven, all nice and happy. Just waiting for the customer to come down to give me a hand with the roof, because he knows how to sort this out. I've told him about it. He's coming to give me a hand, close the roof and put it all back to normal. So this one, this miracle that it didn't explode, is done.